Hi guys, here's the rear windshield wiper that I'm gonna be putting on my Chrysler Town Country touring van. All right, I'll put a link below where I got this from. It's from Amazon. All right, just to let you know that will be an affiliate link. So if you decide to pick this up, it does support the channel. I appreciate it. All right, so this is how it comes in the box. Let's open it up. Take a look what's inside of it. They already give you, as most of these kits, they already give you the windshield wiper. And here's the arm. Okay. Now, you're gonna have to take off this cover here. All right. And most of the time, again, when these things fail, they're gonna fail at this point here. The other one I had was just simply plastic. So this one looked like it's some type of aluminum. So let's get this installed. All right. All right, guys. Now, as you can see, I got the old one off. Now, you notice there's a piece of nut right there that's protruding out on this. That has to be removed. As you see, when you try to put your wiper, it's not going to fit properly. So that piece seized on the mechanism. So what you're going to have to do now is simply get you a roller zip. And I put a link of this particular tool, ideal to have in your tool bag. So right now, I'm setting up my rotor tool to put on, because that metal piece will not go over that seized nut. It has to be removed and taken off. So get yourself a roller tool, particularly this one or something similar to it, to remove that nut. All right. So, and you just put one of the bits or the drills that you utilize to take that off. Now, using this tool, be very careful that you're not cutting into the rubber boot that's beyond this nut. Corrosion, you're not going to be able to get it off with a wrench. You run the gamut of damage in the motor or your windshield. So take your time with this tool. Okay, now once you got it cut down to a nice reasonable depth, come back with a screwdriver. In my case, I'm using one of my chisels just to pry it to break it off, and it should come right off. All right. So, and that's pretty much it, guys. Just take your time with a roller zip, or the roller tool, I mean. Cut the nut off and come back with a screwdriver and pry, and it should break right off. All right. This must come off before you install your new windshield wiper. Okay, so once that comes off, you're halfway there. Hey guys, after cleaning it off, I suggest to pick up some type of synthetic grease to put on the place where you have to put your nut on. And again, just lightly coat it, because it'll prevent any type of other corrosion later on if you have to change this mechanism again. So that's what I end up doing. I lightly coat it with some synthetic grease. And now just simply just putting on the windshield wiper. You place it with the locking nut that's already there. You tighten it down, but don't over tighten it that you end up breaking it, all right? But just enough to be snug and stay secure to the motor. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now, getting it done. Very easy to install. All right. And depending on this version, when you get this version, you're gonna have to install the windshield wiper itself, and it's very easy to put in. Just click it right in. So once it's secure, what you have to do now is just go back and test it. All right, turn on your vehicle, turn on the windshield wiper, and you should be good to go. And as you can see, everything's working fine. And that's it, guys. That's simple. All right. The biggest thing is just getting that nut off. Take your time. All right, guys. Please consider like, subscribe, and I'll check you on the next one. All right. Peace.